Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make a modded Minecraft server with CurseForge. Right, so first up, go ahead and open up your CurseForge app and find your mod packs, or it could be your instance. Okay, just click on it and click on this download server pack icon. Okay, click on it. Now save it wherever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and save it on my desktop so we can easily find it. Okay, since it's still under grayed out button, okay, just wait for it until it's not anymore. So if it's not grayed out, it means everything has been downloaded. Okay, you can minimize the launcher. You'll be able to see a server file or RAR file right here. Just basically wait for this one to pop up, and once that's done, we'll continue. This one right here can take a while depending on the size of your mod or mod pack. Okay, so just patiently wait. So I'm just going to show you right here when we open up a RAR file and it's still not done right here. As you can see, we got an error, so just wait for it. So as you can see here, it's done. Now what we're going to do next is just basically extract the RAR file. And just wait for it to finish. So let's minimize CurseForge right here. Here we have the file. You can delete the RAR file if you want to. Now just double click on it to see the content. And then once done, all you're going to want to do is start the server right here. Okay? Or it could be just start that path. Just basically find the Windows batch file. It could be start, run, or whatever. Okay? Just open it up. Wait for it to load. Okay? As you can see here, while it runs in the background, everything will be added right here, including files or even the mods folder. Okay, as you can see. So just wait for it. And then in a moment, it will ask us to accept the terms and conditions, something like that, or accepting the EULA. All right, as you can see here, it says, by answering true, you are indicating your agreement. So just type down true, as it says in here. Yours may be different, okay, depending on the mod pack. So just basically follow simple prompts. So once it's stuck, okay, it's basically done. So what you're going to do is just find the EULA, check it out, double click on it. If it's true, well, we're good to go. If it's false, just send it to or replace it to true, okay? And then after that, all you got to do next is just open up CurseForge and play the game right here. As you can see, all the mods 10 ATM 10 is now ready. So just click on play. So once the game is opened, all you got to do is find the multiplayer section right here. Proceed. Now direct connection. Okay, since this is your own world. Okay, so direct connection server address would be localhost. Okay, again localhost, and then just join the server. Wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see here, it's running in the background. Just basically wait for it. So if this is the first time the game or the modded game runs in your computer, well, it'll take maybe a little bit of time. Okay, but just basically wait for it. And once it's opened, by the way, if you want your friends to join you, well, you have to use port forwarding. Okay, we are not going to talk about port forwarding right now, but if you want to, you can go ahead and find a video teaching you how to port forward Minecraft so that your friends could join your modded world or modded Minecraft server, right? But that's just basically it. That is how you make a modded Minecraft server with CurseForge. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.